Hey guys, let's make some milkshakes today. Now, let's set up everything we need for it. There goes a blender. Then comes the jar. Some milk. Ice cream. Chocolate syrup. Strawberries. Cookies. Bananas. Okay, now we have everything. Let's begin. Let's see. Cookies, strawberries, or bananas? What should we go with first? Let's go with strawberries. Let's put the strawberries in the jar. Now, some ice cream. Looks so yummy. There goes one scoop of ice cream. Let's put it back. What's next? Some milk. And the milk comes from, yes, a cow. Next, let's put some chocolate syrup. Looks very yummy. Everything's in. It's time to blend our milkshake. Looks like it's almost done. Our strawberry milkshake is ready. Now let's serve it in a cup. Time for some rainbow sprinkles. Looks colorful. Yay, we made strawberry milkshake. That was fun. Let's make another one. Let's see. Chocolate cookie or banana? Chocolate, banana. Let's do chocolate this time. Let's put the cookies into the jar. Now ice cream. Wow, chocolate ice cream. One scoop of chocolate ice cream. Done. Now some milk. That's enough. Now my favorite, chocolate syrup. So chocolatey. All done. Time to blend our chocolate milkshake. It's getting ready. Almost there. It's done. Let's pour it into the cup. Time for some chocolate sprinkles. Wow, yummy yummy chocolate milkshake is ready. Yay! Now it's banana's turn. Let's put those bananas into the jar. Now, yummy yummy ice cream. 1 scoop of ice cream. Done. Can you guess what's next? Yes, it's the milk. That's enough. Lastly, chocolate syrup. Yummy, yummy. It's blending time. Wow, a banana milkshake is ready. It looks amazing. Let's serve it in a cup. Now it's time for some rainbow sprinkles. Here comes our banana milkshake. Yay! So guys, today we made some real healthy banana milkshake. Some real chocolatey chocolate milkshake. And finally, yummy, yummy strawberry milkshake. Hope you guys had fun making milkshakes with me. For more videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you again guys. Bye bye.